Okay, I'm on my way to Plaza because I've been asked on a few occasions to show you Plaza at night. Now I know we've been there before on other videos, but it's really hard to tell somebody to go back to a video because I don't know myself. There's that many videos I've uploaded. So there's a band practice, as you can probably hear. All the kids are coming out of school now. The college kids I'm on about, not the younger kids. They come out about 4, 5 o'clock. So I'm guessing by the time I get to Centro, it's going to be dark. So hopefully it'll be lit up enough, because you know this GoPro is not very good in the dark. So we'll see what we'll be able to show you in a bit. So here we go, I can start taking some video. It's not too dark yet. It looks light on the screen on the GoPro anyway. There's plenty of lights in Plaza, in the centre of Plaza. So I was looking at Tom and Ruth's videos. Well, I look every now and then. I go on his live stream every now and then, if I hit on it. And he brought up a topic on, well, he brought two topics up I found very interesting that I'd never really thought about. And one of them was, if you're a big gentleman, I mean a big gentleman, and you come to the Philippines, you're going to be struggling to find clothes, because Philippine sizes, like if I went for a large, I'd probably need an extra large. Because the sizes here are crazy. Which is funny because there's some quite big Filipino men here that are quite big, obviously. But there you have it. You are going to struggle to get big clothes here. So it is true that if you're going to, oh, that's new, got a canopy over all the little stores, look, for if it rains. So if you're going to come over here, it might be a good idea to have one of them Bulacan boxes, whatever they're called, not Bulacan, what are they called? You know what I mean. And send some clothes over and bring what you can, and especially underwear. Bring plenty of underwear if you're a oversized sort of underwear person. Let's go and have a look in here. This is new. It's all lit up. That's brilliant. So there's the famous egg that I love, and the drinks. The egg's amazing, I love it. Nice and crispy. I've just gone and stood in a load of water. Yeah, it's all egg. I don't know what that other stuff is, but the barbecue's still outside. Going to have a look at the barbecue. Hot dog sausages, chicken innards, chicken heads, and that's pork, and that's just fat. But when I have one of them, I'll take it away and I'm going to throw it, because I won't eat the fat. And Mel says, oh no, let me eat that, and she'll eat the fat. And as you can see from Mel's body, she's not putting an ounce on, she's losing weight. And it's not like she's eating like on a diet or anything, she's just eating what she's always had. But Mel can't eat a lot. You know, she'll have a plate, she'll have a little plate of something, and she'll probably still leave something on there as well. So here we are, Plaza Rizal, centre of Naga. pure gold's in the front of it, look. Yeah, I told you the story when I first met Mel and we're going to meet up, and I said I'll sit near the road opposite Pure Gold, and because I didn't bring my phone with me, she was texting me. She said she was looking around Plaza for me, but she couldn't find me. I mean, it's not like I don't stick out a mile, is it? But she couldn't find me. Now, can you remember there was a big shake-up of getting the vendors off the streets and stuff? These were all told to go. Now they've crept back again. So I'm guessing there's my favourite nut store, but I can't eat the nuts now. I'm on my juicing diet. I've been on it 5 days now, guys, and I'm starting to lose weight. You don't need to get on the scales, you can see by my stomach it's coming off. But it does take a while when you're absolutely massive like me. No, I'm not massive, I'm only joking. But no, it'll take about 3 weeks and I'll really see a big difference. Now these stalls, if you come into Naga, there's little street vendors and they sit with a couple of baskets full of fruit. They're very cheap. But you come to these and they're not cheap. They're quite expensive. And again, I've got to be careful when I say expensive, because people say expensive according to what? Well, according to my budget. And things have gone up, like eggs. For example, you could get a 4 peso egg. Now you can't get under 6 pesos, and most of them 6.50. The cost of living is really going up a lot in the Philippines. Now, you go in here, that's a massage place, that's a massage place. And the girls of the night usually hang out at this place as well, so be careful. But this is a massage place, and it's blind people that do the massage. And I believe, depending on if you want a full massage, they ask you what's wrong with you, basically, because they assume that if you come here, like this guy here with his arm, he must have some pain in his arm, or if you got pain in your legs or anything like that. So anyway, the other topic, which again has come up with Tom and Ruth's channel, and it's just a recent one where a guy's been contacting him and saying, look, I'm 70, I've been here quite a while and I can't find anybody. You know, what, have you got any suggestions? I'm guessing it didn't come across like that, but I'm guessing he's trying to get some information where it's going to make it easier for him. Now look, if you come to the Philippines and you're 70, let's say for argument's sake, and you've got health issues, you're overweight, you're not that attractive, which at 70 I'm guessing you wouldn't be anyway, you're going to struggle to get somebody. How old can I say? I mean, look, I'm just guessing, but I'm taking it from my knowledge and the girls I've just spoken to recently about it, because I was quite interested and I wanted to hear what they'd say. And there's like 2 women that are looking for foreigners that I spoke to, and I said, what age would you go up to? Now the younger one says, oh, I'll go up to 70. But now I know that younger one, I wouldn't recommend her to anybody because she's bad news. And it is all about the money. Now look, it's all about the money anyway. These girls want a secure financial future, and that's why they go with a foreigner. And anybody that says different, well, that's your opinion, but I know different because I've spoke to lots. I've had loads of messages from foreigners that's had a bad deal. I've had a lot of good ones though. I've had a lot of good stories, but the bad outweighs the good. And it's always, you know, I jumped in, I didn't know her that long, she come across as honest and all the rest of it, and it turned out she wasn't, and it was all about the money. And you see, you know, when you have a relationship in the West, I think we're more or less the same ages, aren't we, when we have a relationship? I don't know about anywhere else, but in the UK, for example, if there's any more than a 10-year
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
I don't bite, only if you ask me. So see you again, guys. Bye.